Welcome everyone back to weekly weather update, and today's video we're going to have a look at the live radar for what's going to happen in the next 6 hours, and then look at the weather warnings as this morning. In fact, there is a weather warning in my area for gales and strong winds, which is associated with Storm Lenia, giving heavy rain in some areas and strong winds. It will subside after 12, so it won't be as strong in the afternoon, but it'll still be quite strong in the morning. It won't last that long. Now, if I have a look at the radar for precipitation, we already see some yellows, some fairly heavy rain in Scotland here, as that's moving to the northeast into the North Sea. And then that subsides with a fairly nice but blustery day for now. If I have a look at the temperatures will feel a little bit cooler than they would be if it was going to be if there was energy, because the wind will make it colder, so wind chill. So yeah, cooler weather in the north and a bit warmer in the south. So here are the weather warnings for my area. Yellow warning for wind in quite a large area, in a large yellow warning area. So yeah, it will bring strong winds, and it will start, well, this hour at 5 to 11. I did go over this last time, but still, tiles might blow one off if the gusts are, obviously wind gusts could bring gales, so that might happen. Power cuts are possible, injuries and danger to life from large waves if you're near the coast, effects to roads and bridges and transport, rail, and cancellations are possible. So delays are possible if you're going to go on a train. So yeah, 50 to 60 miles per hour range, with the gusts of 65 to 75, maybe 80 will push very quickly, in fact, in the east in the morning, affecting the roads. And it has a low likelihood, unlikely, it might be likely, I'm not sure, but has a medium impact, so it could impact you. And here are the counties this is going to affect. So here, if I have a look at the UKV, quickly looking at the longer range precipitation chart. So that's for Thursday, so I'm just going to go over to Friday. Right, so yeah, so a band of rain pushing in from the west, along with the strong winds. Actually, no, the winds will come after, so that will come out, and then the winds are going to start with a few more scattered showers possible. Clear conditions to the south, and then a overall sunny day for most with a few showers. So not too bad on Friday. Will still be very windy though in some areas in the morning. A few showers actually, maybe heavy, coming into the south. In a few hours will subside with a more scattered shower for the north and Scotland. Scotland again, drizzle, rain into the Northern Highlands. A little bit better in the north on Saturday. So a little bit better on Saturday for now. But on Sunday, a little bit more unsettled. Bits of rain pushing in from the north and will affect the northern areas, but quickly subside anyway. Monday, a few scattered cloud and a few showers in the north, and then on Monday night, it doesn't seem too bad. Not too much precipitation to look for. Just put it on F11. But as you can see here, a band of rain will be pushing in from the Atlantic, and it doesn't look as bad as it looked like on the front, but it will affect areas of western Scotland, and might try and get into the areas of Wales and Scotland as this front arrives. Now, if I have a look at the temperatures, not that one. If I have a look at the temperatures, I'm just going to reload it. It's been a little bit slow recently. I'm so sorry. There we go. Right, so if I look at the temperatures, max temperatures today, 22 to 23 in the south, mid to high teens in the north and Scotland. If I have a look onto Saturday, we have mid to low teens, in fact, mid to high teens. There's no 20 this time. Might get to 20, but it's quite a cool day on Saturday, in fact. with the coolest day in August. If I have a look onto Sunday, 20 in the Far East, mid to high teens, mid to low teens in Scotland. And then a lot of Monday, where the heat is 21, 22, 23, a little bit hotter, warmer on Monday in fact. Spreading a little bit more north as it goes along. And then on to Tuesday, it's a bit warmer in fact, 24 to 25, 26 is possible. Looks a bit warmer actually coming into Tuesday, so seems to be a bit of a warmer week going into Tuesday. As we saw in the GFS, that might be what's going on. Now have a look at the winds, wind gusts really quickly, on how strong the wind's going to be. As you can see, 70 is and 60 mile per hour winds are possible in gusts, and that will quickly move into the west, easterly. Looking into the GFS then, see what longer ranges. We have an area of low pressure coming in. So here's our tight ice bars for the morning. So there's the tight ice bars. That will push into an area of low pressure onto Saturday with probably with more showers possible, and then getting into with a bit more cooler air. So that is going to represent the cooler air there. And then on to Monday areas. It doesn't seem as unsettled. We have a bit more oranges over 10 millibars, 10-15 into the south, with 10-20 coming into Monday with a bit more warmer air. So you can see that warmer air pushing in now. And as we go into the 29th, we do see an area of low pressure trying to come in, but then it gets a bit blocked from the high, so the high is winning. And then it might bring us some more settled conditions and warmer weather to end August. As you can see, some a bit warmer colours, as you can see here. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you. Make sure to stay safe in the winds.